How to verify your account on X, formerly Twitter. With the latest policy and legal updates, it's becoming essential to verify your X account if you want to access certain types of restricted content. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you do just that. First, open the X app and tap on the home icon located at the bottom left corner. Next, tap on your profile picture in the top left to open the side menu. From there, scroll down a bit and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now go to Security and Account Access, then select Security. You'll see an option called ID Verification. But here's the important part. Before you can upload any documents to verify your identity, you must subscribe to X Premium, previously known as Twitter Blue. So, go back one step in the Settings menu and tap on the Premium section. There, you can choose the plan that suits you and subscribe. Once you're subscribed, you'll unlock the ability to verify your identity by uploading an official document, such as a passport or national ID. Head back to the Security section, tap ID Verification again, and you'll be able to upload your documents to confirm your age and identity. After completing all these steps, you'll gain full access to any restricted or age-limited content on X. It's a quick and straightforward process. Give it a try. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments.